folks, excuse me, how you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. I bloody missed it off camera. Ooh, lots of baby, whatever they I thought they were lambs. Andrew was passing a horse on his bandit, and the horse started getting out of order, and it span its butt round to face his bike. I thought it was going to kick him off his bike. Bloody hell, they're busy. Rammed. Nice to see. People been watching my channel. Yeah, I said on one of my earlier videos, we went to Devil's Bridge and then Glasson Docks, and it felt like the bike, it'd get to like 50 miles an hour. Yeah, that's the very same horse that nearly kicked Andrew. Yeah, the bike, it gets like 50 and it was feeling like it was struggling to get past it, and it was really puzzling me. And Sanjay was pulling away from me, and I was like, what's going on with this bike? And it was like putting me off the bike, to be honest. Anyways, yesterday I thought I'd give it a bolt check because the weather was nice. Turns out that the two bolts that fasten the exhaust into the cylinder bore were loose, finger loose. Tightened them up and it's back, baby. And you can feel it when you accelerate the forks lift up, if that makes sense. Me and my missus were watching a drama on TV, and it was filmed, part of it here. It's the family home, and I did a video when I first ever started vlogging saying, oh crap, what was the name of the video? Something, I thought that was KSI, and that's where they were filming it. Started watching it last week and I was like, no way, that's where I thought I saw KSI. Oh yeah, it's got its mojo back again, which is good. Bloody hell, it's raining up here. And you can't see the tower. Give you a wipe so you can see where you're going. Won't mind, I watched the weather before I came out, and it was literally saying there were clouds, but it didn't say it were going to rain all day. It said the odd shower. Not to worry. Ah, it's stinging my face. And I did the clock adjustment on Sanjay's bike earlier. Because it was literally reading that it was going faster than it actually was. Oh, this bike is back. Feels so good. Got a wobble then. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my god, that car stunk. Oh, yes, lad! Yeah. I did a video a few weeks back where I was out on my own and I was coming this way and I was watching the video on my TV and it looks like there's a UFO. I had to like pause it and slowly click forwards and there's something, and then in the next frame it's gone, but where it's gone it's left like a light patch where it actually was in the first frame. Showing me message, she's like, no, where? And it was going just like that. Oh dear. Oh, got past the excellent news. Oh, it stopped raining again. Defibrillator. Something heavy's in the back of that van. Kegs of beer. Look at it, it's nearly on its arse. And I was involved in a car crash 2 weeks ago. The guy drove straight into the back of my Duke. Didn't even put his brakes on because he was too busy focusing on overtaking a lorry. Having to put up with the terrible courtesy car. What is it with courtesy cars? Oh, bloody hell. Sanjay's on one. Alrighty then. Oh, it's on. Cat Sanjay! Woo! It's live! On the lady! Yeah, his speedo's reading right. Come on, lad! It's actually warming up, oddly enough. Why couldn't it have been like this all day? Can't believe how much water it is down here. What's going on? I'm actually drying out. Oh yeah. I love tucking. And roll off the throttle. Oh god, I wish I'd recorded that horse. And the woman was swearing her head off. I thought she was swearing at Andrew. She said no, she was swearing at the horse. Telling the horse off. neutral. That is neutral. Oh, it's well warmer up here. Oh, the bike is filthy. Oh, where's the other three? Oh, look at the state of it. Anyways, folks, thank you so much for watching. That was the horse that were kicking off 2 weeks ago. I really do appreciate it. As per usual, take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye now.